Yes, the EPP pricing platform is of course here to enable the discussions and to bring better and newer insights in the life sciences industry when it comes to pricing and value capturing. I'm happy during these 2 days that EPP pricing platform is supporting these discussion and reflection. And for those who want to learn more and reflect more, I'm inviting you to join the certification program of EPP. So we are looking forward to meet you soon again. Thanks.